I'm tired.
Of course you're tired. It's so boring here. Why are you here?
I've always been here.
Well, who put you here?
I don't know, but somebody did.
What are you supposed to do for fun in a place like this?
Fun?
Yeah, like what do you do all day?
I sit here all day.
But you got these wings, like, can't you just, like, fly around?
I can't fly.
Since when?
I've never been able to fly.
Who told you that? You've got wings, of course you can fly.
Someone told me that I can't fly.
Okay.
Besides, flying it's not great. I'm sure it's not that great anyway.
You wouldn't know, you've never done it.
But I know it's not.
Couldn't you just, like, leave if you wanted to?
There are bars here. They're really thick and there's no other way to leave.
Maybe they're not as thick as you think.
Well, maybe. But I've never tried to leave. You probably can anyway. I mean, wouldn't I have left already if I could have? Why wouldn't I? I mean, it doesn't make sense. But maybe if I tried, I could leave.
Okay.
I don't know what's outside or anything. But maybe I can try.